किसी भी एक ध्यानात्मक आसन में आ जाइए। सुखासन या पद्मासन, सुखासन, पद्मासन या जो भी आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे, वज्रासन, किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन में आ जाइए। अगर आप वज्रासन में बैठते हो तो आपकी मुद्रा इस तरह है, लेकिन आप कितनी देर वज्रासन में बैठ सकते हो ये हम बोल नहीं सकते। सो बेटर है कि आप सुखासन में आ जाइए। जैसे सुखासन, ये ऐसे बाहर लगाना, ऐसे। ओके, एंड देन आपकी ध्यान मुद्रा, आंखें बंद, कमर सीधी, बैक सीधी, और सिर्फ अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दें। सांस अंदर, बाहर, एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर, फिर धीरे से बाहर। क्या करना है आपको ना, आपको अपनी नाक के पास देखना है। अपनी नाक के पास देखोगे ना तो आपका ध्यान कहीं भी भटकेगा नहीं, आसपास कहीं भी नहीं जाएगा, सिर्फ अपनी सांसों पे रहेगा। और ऑटोमेटिकली जो थॉट्स है, अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स या पॉजिटिव वॉटेवर, हम इस संसार में हैं तो क्या होगा, हमें अनेक थॉट्स आएंगे। ओके, तो अनेक थॉट्स आएंगे तो उसको हम रोक नहीं पाते हैं। तो रोकने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, हमारी जो भी लक्ष्य है पूरा जो देखते हैं हम सामने, एक तो वो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड पे लाइए। ओके, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड से नहीं हो रहा है तो बेटर है कि आप वो सांस पे लाइए। तो नाक के यहाँ अगर हम देखेंगे तो हमारे थॉट्स धीरे धीरे कम होते जाते हैं। ट्राई कीजिए, आज नहीं होगा, कल नहीं होगा, परसों भी कम होगा, और फिर उसके बाद आपको एक बार आदत लग जाएगी तो वो अपने आप सब डिसाइड हो जाएगा। ओके, सो ध्यान में आइए। और जब तक मैं नहीं बोलती आंखें नहीं खोलनी है। हमारा जो भी ये योगा है, ये जो ट्रेडिशनल योगा है, ये क्या बोलता है कि whatever energy we get from the atmosphere, the cosmic rays, whatever we get, it should be from your palm. And whatever energy we release from inside, the energy should not go outside. So better close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes so we can maintain all energy inside unless we do not complete our program. Okay, then let's start. हम ओमकार करेंगे। ओमकार के लिए 2-3 लंबी गहरी सांस लें और फिर मैं बोलूँगी तभी एक नॉर्मल सांस लें और मेरे पीछे ओमकार स्टार्ट करें। 3 लंबी गहरी सांस लें और धीरे धीरे छोड़ें। अब ओमकार क्या है, ओमकार इज अ, ओ और माँ, ये 3 का उच्चारण होता है ओमकार, अ, उ और माँ। तो उसे ओम नहीं कहना है, उसे क्या कहना है, ओके, तो इस तरह आपको ओम का उच्चारण करना है। ओके, तो इससे क्या होता है, हमारे मस्तिष्क में, हमारे चेस्ट में और फिर हमारे पेट में अलग अलग प्रकार से वाइब्रेशंस होते हैं। और ये वाइब्रेशंस जो है ये न्यूरॉन डेवलपमेंट के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। एंड आर मोटर डेवलपमेंट, मोटर, व्हाट आर मोटर डेवलपमेंट्स, motor developments are what we give and take, whatever we do, whatever we see, whatsoever activities we are doing, it's because of our motor development. Okay, so to keep our mind peaceful today with a very enthusiastic way in a whole day life, we have to do omkar in such a way. Okay, so start your omkar. I will say and you will repeat behind me. Okay, chalo, let's start. Three times omkar. Now we'll do Guru Vandana. Guru is very important. Okay, he is a mediator between God and us. So those who do not have Guru should make Guru, and Guru is very important in our life. So start Guru Vandana. I will say, you will speak behind me. Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Gurave Namaha, Gurave Namaha. Now rub your palm, tape on your eyes, and slowly, slowly open your eyes. Hari Om. Okay. Now we'll start the next step. Everybody, please take your time. Now you are in Dandasana. Please take your standing position. Please take standing position. Okay. अब क्या करना है, दोनों पैरों में 1 से 1.5 फुट का अंतर लेना है. Okay? अभी हम स्कूल में गए हैं, स्कूल में सबने एक्सरसाइज की है. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विथ द सेम एक्सरसाइज बट इट इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. हाथ सामने से ऊपर, टच योर ईयर्स एंड इरेक्ट, then bend down. You should bend down from your hip joint, not from your back. Okay, so up, inhale, then come down, exhale. Try to touch the ground and your again inhale, up, हाथ पूर्व स्थिति में. In this position, your knee should not supposed to bend. They should be in a very straight position. Okay? Again we'll do. See, inhale, up, exhale, down. Again inhale, up, exhale, down. Okay. Then second position. Second position. दोनों हाथ शोल्डर लेवल पे. Both of your hands should be on shoulder level. Inhale. And next step is your feet should be your foot. Both of your foot should be in a, see, they are not in a sideways. It should be in front. Okay. So क्या करना है? Turn your right side on your left thumb and try to look up to your left thumb. Okay. See, I will show you. At this time, exhale out. Okay, while bending, exhale out, hold, and then while coming up, inhale inside. Okay. Inhale, exhale, up. Inhale, exhale, up. Inhale, exhale, up. Inhale and down. Okay. The next position is your, again, barefoot का अंतर, hand on your shoulder level. Okay. Then twist to your left side, and while twisting, exhale. Exhale means सांस को बाहर छोड़ना है. Okay. And your foot should be in front only. It should not go. इसके साथ ऐसे नहीं होना है. No. And you do not bend the knees. Okay. Try as much as it is possible for you. Okay. Now inhale, and while exhaling, turn to your left. Again inhale. Sorry, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Okay. Then the next step is your knee exercise. Okay. No, not knee exercise. Your round. Both the hands should be on your waist. Okay. And you bend in the front from your hip, waist joint, your hip joint, not from your back. Inhale, and while exhaling, bend down, and after bending down, you have to take round from left to right and again from right to left. Slowly. My counting maybe go here and there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you will not stop your motion. Okay. You will be in motion. Inhale and exhale down. Come on. Slowly on your left. Inhale. Exhale. Again inhale from your right. Exhale out. And straight. Inhale, straight. Both the hands down. Okay. Now again both the hands on your wrist, on your sideways, and try to bend on your left. Try to touch your ear to your wrist shoulder. Inhale up. Again, exhale down. Okay? And your neck movement. On neck movement, reduce the distance and both the hands down. Again, both the hands on the waist and try to, those who have cervical problem, please do not bend your neck on the front side. Okay? Those who do not have can do anything. Okay? But they can bend the left and the back side but not in the front. Okay? So, try to touch your chin to your chest. Again up. Again, try to touch your ear to your shoulder. Again up. Again to your right shoulder. Up, back, up. Again to your chest. Up, left, up, right, up, back, up. Okay? Now, both the hands down. Now, we'll do knee movement. Those who have severe knee problem, please do not. Please avoid doing. But those who have the little bit knee problem will vanish out. So do it. Both the hand in front and look at parallel to your hand at the center. Okay, do not close your eyes and sit and bend your knees. Your feet should be up and sit on the knees. Sit straight. Try to sit straight. Come on up. Now, foot movement. One, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay? Both the hands on their place. Down. Again, take a distance between your 2 feet, 2 foot, to at least more than your mat. It should be more than your mat. Okay? Now, both the hands, inhale, up. And while coming down, take Namaskar Mudra and touch the ground. Both the ears should be packed between your two arms. Okay? And we'll do a big round from right to left and left to right. While going up, please inhale and coming down, please exhale. Okay, start. Slowly up, inhale. Okay, relax. Now, रिलैक्स कैसे करोगे? दंड स्थिति का रिलैक्सेशन. दोनों हाथ पीछे,